Kaibigan, tonight natataniman yan. And again, everything can change. You just need to decide. And when you decide, it creates momentum. Powerful force that drives progress and impact. Momentum is not a luck. It is created by action, consistency, and vision.
Are you excited?
Vietnam International Travel Incentive!
Today is our victory rally! Dapat masaya ka! At dapat pumapalakpak ka!
Sing a little melody, come and make it up with me. I'm better when I'm with you. I'm better with you. I can dream a bigger dream, I'll go and live it out, you'll see. I wanna tell you all about it. I'll tell you all about it.
Ang pinakamasarap, lagi ko sinasabi, sa negosyo natin, tatlo lang po ang susi. Masipag at matyaga at huwag kang titigil!
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Better together, come on, come on, come on, come on. Better together, we'll sing it out, we'll sing it out.
May grupo ka, may kasama ka, natutulong sa'yo, pagtuturo sa'yo, at gagabay sa'yo para makamit mo yung pangarap mo.
Oh, I'm better with you. Feel the sun between the trees. The future is an open sea. I wanna tell you all about it. I'll tell you all about it.
Tandaan mo, ang resulta mo ang magsasabi kung gaano katotoo ang sinasabi mo.
Together, we can make things happen!
Come on, come on. We're better together, better together. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We're better together, better together. We'll sing it out, we'll sing it out.
If you want something to happen in your life, and you really desire na mangyari ito sa buhay mo, guys, tanda mo, hindi ibibigay sa'yo ni God yung preview kung hindi para sa'yo. Hindi mo pang gigigilan yung isang bagay kung hindi para sa'yo. Gisingin mo na yung katawan mo kasi yung nakakanaw mo ngayon, yung nararamdaman mo ngayon, yan yung pwedeng mangyari sa buhay.